indoor games. Then question number 2. Cricket and cycling are dash games. Cricket and cycling are game which played outside, so these are outdoor games. These are outdoor games. Cricket and cycling are outdoor games. Then number 3. Both indoor and outdoor games can be played with a dash player or with dash player. Means indoor games and outdoor games are played with the player, single player or with many players. Okay, that is called, if we play with single player, that is called individual game. If we play with many players, that is called team game. Okay, so write your single player. Single player with a single player or with many players. Okay, both indoor and outdoor games can be played with a single player or with many players. Okay, then number 4. Swimming and rolling are the example of dash games. These are the games which played with a single player. So this is called individual games. Individual games. Swimming and rolling are the example of individual games. Okay. Then number 5. People whose occupation is to play a sport are dash players. They are called professional players. Professional player. Okay. Write here professional player. Professional player. People whose occupation is to play a sport are professional. Okay, the question number is complete. Next, number B. Let us discuss the number B. Write T for true and F for false. Okay, number 1. Chess is an outdoor game. Chess is an outdoor game? No. This is an indoor game. This is an indoor game. So you write here false. Okay, chess is an indoor game, not outdoor game. Okay. Then number 2, our grandparents played with PlayStation game when they were young. They played this game. Our grandparents played PlayStation? No. In their time, they did not use any electronic device. So it is also false. Then number 3. Virat Kohli is a professional cricketer. Virat Kohli is a cricket player, so he is a professional cricketer. It is true. So you write here true. Then number 4. Computer, tablet and mobile phones are used nowadays to play games. Yes, nowadays children use to play these things: computer, tablet, mobile phone, etc. Okay, write here true. Then number 5. Games should be played according to the rules. Yes, it is true, because every games have some rules. We should follow the rules and play the games. So games should be played according to the rules. It is true. Okay, your number B is complete. Let us discuss now question number C. Match the sport with the personalities. Here some sports names are given and some personalities of sports personalities are names of sports personalities are given. Let us match the sports with the sports personalities. Before we match this, look at here. Here some professional players names are given. Look at here. He is Sachin Tendulkar. He is a cricketer. She is Sania Nehwal. He is a badminton player. And she is Mary Kom. She is a boxing player. Okay. Then Sushil Kumar Solanki. He is a wrestler or wrestling player. And she is Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza is a tennis player, and he is Vishwanathan Anand is a chess player. Okay, look at here, cricket. Here sports name is cricket. Who is a cricketer? Sachin Tendulkar. So you match cricket with Sachin Tendulkar. Then wrestling. Who is a wrestler or wrestling player? Sushil Kumar Solanki. So you match with wrestling with Sushil Kumar Solanki. Then badminton. Badminton, Sania Nehwal is a badminton player. So you match badminton with Sania Nehwal. Then boxing, Mary Kom. Mary Kom is a boxing player. So you match boxing with Mary Kom. Your question number C is complete. Next, your question number D. Question number D, number 1. Why should we play games? Answer is we should play games because it is an enjoyable way of exercising and keeps us active and full of energy. Playing game is an enjoyable way of exercise. Playing game is also a exercise, and it keeps us active and gives us full of energy. Okay. Your answer is we should play games because it is an enjoyable way of exercising and keeps us active and full of energy. Okay, then question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. How are games of the past different from games played nowadays? Answer is games of the past were simple games that did not need expensive toys or devices, but nowadays people play games on computer, tablet and mobile phones which are very expensive. Okay. Next is question number 3. Question number 3 is difference between games and sports. What is difference between games and sports? Answer is games are the activities in which one engages for amusement or fun, and sports are the game in which players are trained and are played for a competition. Okay. The answer is games are the activities in which one engages for amusement or fun, and sports are the game in which players are trained and are played for competition. Okay. Let us discuss now question number D, number 4. Who are professional players? Write the 2 examples of professional players and the sports they play. Who are professional players? Your answer is the player who plays sports for money, or the player whose occupation is to play for money is called professional player. Okay, a player whose occupation is to play sports, sport for money, is called a professional player. Is called a professional player. The name of 2 professional players are Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin Tendulkar, and Vishwanathan Anand. Vishwanathan Anand, Vishwanathan Anand, and they and the sports they played and the sports they play are cricket and chess. Okay, your question number 4 is, who are professional players? Write the names of 2 professional players and the sports they play. Your answer is, the player whose occupation is to play a sport for money is called professional player. The name of 2 professional players are Sachin Tendulkar and Vishwanathan Anand, and the sports they play are cricket and chess. Okay. What are indoor and outdoor games? Indoor games are games that play inside our house, school or classroom. Okay. Games that we play inside our house, classroom, inside a classroom or school building, are called indoor games. But and outdoor games, the games played outside in open area such as park, field or in a special area or in a special areas like court are known as outdoor games. Okay. What are indoor and outdoor games? Answer is, games that we play inside our house, classroom or school building are called indoor games. Games played outside in open areas such as park, field or in a special area like court are known as outdoor games. Okay. So this is all about your question answer of chapter 8, the game we play. Thank you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.